Hi, I'm Danny Landry, Realtor in Southeast Florida, and welcome to your next coastal dream home here in beautiful Pompano Beach. Imagine waking up just steps from the water, the ocean breeze in the air, and everything you need only moments away. This isn't a vacation, it's your new reality right here. From the moment you arrive, you'll be impressed by the thoughtful upgrades. A brand new marble driveway, modern galvanium roof, and fresh tropical landscaping that wraps the home in elegance. And boaters, this one's for you. With a brand new dock and a 20,000-pound boat lift, you've got direct access to the Intracoastal and the open ocean beyond. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath single-family home is located east of the Intracoastal Waterway, a location that offers easy access to nearby beaches, fine dining, and local conveniences, all within reach. Whether you're hosting a sunset dinner or enjoying a peaceful morning swim, this space was made for living well. Are you ready to wake up in paradise? Contact me today for your private tour, and let's turn the keys to 301 South Riverside Drive into the start of your next great chapter.